This is the full process of how to do a LED bypass. Nice LED bulbs. You can actually see where the LED strip is. It's right here. So when you orientate the bulbs, you need the LED strips at the top, like that. And it takes about 10 minutes for each one. So let's go. Start by removing the old lights. Be careful because these will shatter. We're gonna squeeze this cover, pop it off. Here's the ballast. This is what we're bypassing. We have our wires here. Essentially, what I found to be the quickest is so we have wires going on this side, blue wires, and we have one red wire. The red wire here is connected to all of them. How it works is we have a black and a white. So all we need to do, hello, hi, is, I'm recording a video. Oh, so yeah, not schizophrenic. Oh, you're all good. If you are. So, take the, are you in this office? Oh, she left. Oh no, I was wondering if are you or are you for this office?
iOffice, workspace.
Oh.
I'm Wendy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So
I
that.
thought you were my client.
Oh yeah, I've talked.
Yeah, he's so cool.
Yeah, he is cool.
Yeah. That's what I was like, oh, my bad.
Yeah.
Nice to see you, meet you.
Yep, nice to meet you too. Are you guys just the third floor?
No, we're the third, fourth, and I'm the whole building.
Okay, because I was told that I'll also be doing some lights on the 5th floor.
Oh, okay.
Later.
I need to follow up with the PM, Michael. About
Yeah.
That.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because we're going to be opening up the 5th floor too.
Oh, okay. Was it not open before?
No, it's actually all closed. It's scary as shit up there.
It's like the background's up here. But anyways,
It's like
has this office been like vacant?
this one?
Well, you said it up 5th floor
the 5th
too.
One, yeah, the 5th floor has been
Like years?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, because some of these lights are just ancient.
Like honestly, good luck up there. I'd be scared.
Yeah.
Yeah. I always take one of the receptionists up there with me because it's scary.
Well, once there's lights in there, hopefully it's not as scary, right?
Hopefully.
Well, that's the plan.
Yeah. Hopefully you're not scared.
Some of these lights I think haven't been changed since like 07.
Really?
I think.
Well, I did find, that makes sense. I did find paint up there, like really expired paint since like 2012.
Really?
Yeah.
So they did that whole office and didn't care to rent it out and make money on it?
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy.
Yeah, no.
That means the business owner literally has so much money. They don't care.
He does. Yeah, he does. But
Makes
then
sense.
they brought me in, so.
Oh, so are you the manager or what are you?
I'm the leasing agent for the building.
Oh, so you're the one who like basically told everyone to get their stuff together and start renting it out?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, nice. So then that's why I'm here.
Yeah, that's why you're here.
Cool.
I found that's my client.
Oh, nice. Talking about potentially
Hiring
me. Yeah. Oh, he said that?
You're taking my employee. Damn it.
So you don't have like a well, I guess like a handyman like me
No.
for the building? So I'm
No,
basically.
I mean we had you, but now you're gone. So.
No, I'm still doing.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, no, because so yeah, because for if he does hire me, it's Monday through Friday.
Yeah, he said that you could still do
Or
this.
sorry, Monday through Thursday, but it ends at 3 o'clock.
Yeah, so you
So,
still have like the rest of the day.
I have the rest of the day from the weekdays, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I have all day. I'm.
Okay, yeah. Nice
Yeah.
hustling.
Well, thank you.
Nice hustling,
I mean,
yeah.
it's the only way to make it out.
Yep. Tell me about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if
you
you.
have like multiple businesses nowadays and multiple jobs just to make it nowadays.
Yeah, well, I basically have multiple businesses, yeah.
Oh.
Because I do mobile mechanic too.
Oh, what don't
Yeah.
you do? Damn.
I don't know. I don't really know what I don't do.
Good for you.
I haven't been there. Maybe a chef. I mean, yeah, that's true. Yeah. Well, just let me know if you guys have any other work. Then yeah, just
Honestly,
keep me
for
on call.
sure. Yeah, definitely.
All right, cool.
Well, I gotta go run and do a notary.
Yep,
But if you
no
need
worries.
anything, just go to any of the receptionists in the front, and they'll call me over. Okay?
All right, sounds
Nice
good.
to meet you.
What's your name?
My name is. What's your name? Yeah.
Evan.
Nice to meet you, Evan.
Nice to meet you too. Ballast is done. Now we just need 3 LEDs. Now we test. Moment of truth. Boom. There we go. We can close this up. Kind of close it up. What's going on here? Boom. Finished. Look at that. Nice and bright in here. I just completed those 3. Didn't test any of them. So I'm hoping I have it down at this point where I flip on the switch and they all work. Otherwise I'm screwed. Moment of truth. Didn't pop. Let's take a look. Nice. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Also, I keep breaking these freaking bulbs. First time, or the second time now, this was in my pocket. I pulled this out, this came with it, and just went. I didn't get on film, but it broke. So a screwdriver broke one, and then had to bring the shop back to vacuum all the glass up, but I was doing that one right there. Had the LED bulbs right here. I was standing on this because I couldn't put the ladder here. I reach over to go grab, what was I don't know, it was the guy. I don't think I was grabbing a bulb. Maybe I was. And then right in my pocket right here, the little Instago just fell out. Fell out, boom, hit the bulb. Didn't break the bulb, but pushed the bulb and it rolled off. Boom, right into the ground, shattered it. So, that was quite unfortunate, and that's this bulb right here. This LED. You can see where it shattered. I actually didn't even realize that these bulbs were glass. I thought it was plastic or something. But yeah, we're more than halfway done. Let's get it. Oh, and I cut myself.